Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm flipping through the April section in my planner to show all the completed spreads that I did for the month. I'm going to go over a little refresh of the sticker books that I used for each spread, so I'll be going over that and then letting you know which one was my favorite spread. I always try to pick a favorite. I'm trying to pick a favorite spread for the month for each of these videos. So I'm going to just explain things and show you some things that I did when it comes to After the Pen. Also, I'm going to share my Currently page that I decorated already. I have that as an exclusive video over on my Patreon, so if you're interested in watching that, I do post all of my Currently page plan with me's over there, along with other things. If you join the lowest tier, you can have access to those videos, which I'm going to share right now. So here is my Currently page for April. So I like to do a little memory keeping on this page. I haven't done this in years, so I'm really trying to be better about it moving forward, having this page complete. Just a little bit of memories that I have for the month, some fun little memories. I also plan on doing a journal. I don't plan on filming that or anything like that, but I'll have more things documented on there. But this is just a little highlights for the month that happened. So for this month, in April, we went to Paper World Expo, which is a stationery expo that had a bunch of vendors that we were able to shop from. It was a lot of fun. I went with my sister and a friend, so I wanted to highlight that on here. Also, I went to Disneyland. Well, I go to Disneyland a lot, but this one was special because I went to Disneyland with my sister and my brother-in-law and my niece and my nephew, so that was fun. So we had a nice fun day. We actually did a color hunting. So we each got a color and we took pictures of our color, and then my sister printed or put them in a grid. We took pictures of a color and then she put them in the grid so that way we can have all of our pictures. And I don't know, it was a lot of fun. I've seen people doing it on social media. I actually have them printed out right here. So this was the red one, green, blue, the yellow, and pink. I did pink. Pink was actually kind of hard. But we all took pictures of our color, and then I printed them out. I wanted to put them on here because I thought that was fun, but so many, it was too big. So this will be going in my journal. But again, I did write a little bit here about that day that we did color hunting. Since I go to Disney a lot, we wanted to do something different because we like going on the rides, but we also like to do other things too. So that was a fun little thing. If you ever go anywhere, honestly, you can do color hunting with your family. But yeah, I just wanted to document that day too on here. So that was a lot of fun. But that's my Currently. Again, if you're interested in seeing that, it is over on my Patreon right now. Okay, so let's go into the month. Here's the After the Pen of my April monthly. Honestly, not much changes on my April monthly when it comes to my After the Pen. I do fill this out a little bit more, but what you see me do in the videos, if you watch my monthly plan with me videos, I do fill all this stuff out in the video, so that tends to stay as is unless something changes or something gets added. This looks pretty similar to what I had done in the video. So yeah, no really changes on this. And for this one, because I want to mention the book, I used I Love Spring from KellofaPlan to decorate this cute spread. So that is my April monthly. Next, we have the first week of April, and I used this really cute book called Seasonal Love. I feel like I've used this a couple times already. I think I used it last month too. I think I've been using it because it's seasonal and there's a section in here for each month. So it's a pretty nice book to pull, and it's got all these awesome stickers and there's sticker paper and all that kind of stuff in here. So this one was fun to use because I did some layering. I also wrote on some of these boxes, even though, you know, they weren't meant to be written on, or anything's meant to be written on, but I really like the idea of just writing on the pattern, so I like that. I meant to do that here too, but I didn't have a lot of plans, and that's okay. It still looks cute. I do like to go in with some mild liner. I just kind of find a mild liner that matches the aesthetic of the spread, and I'll go in and fill in just some areas. I just draw in lines because I like to have it look a little fuller than it usually is. I just like that that look. So on all my spreads, I always do mild liner lines on there, but I really like this spread. I love the colors, I love the patterns, all the different layering things that I did in here, and of course the butterflies. I love the butterflies. But this was my Easter spread because this week was Easter, so that is my Easter spread. It came out really pretty. Okay, oh, I love this spread. Is it my favorite from this month? I don't know. I have to flip through these first. But this one was so much fun to make. I love the Powerpuff Girls. They are so cute. I love Buttercup. My sister loves Blossom. Even though I like Buttercup, my sister was like, you're more like, or not Blossom, she likes Bubbles. Blossom. My sister said that I'm not like Buttercup. I'm more like Blossom. But I don't know why I've always liked Buttercup. Not because I relate to her how she is. I just think she's cute and funny. So Powerpuff Girls, love, love, love. I'm so happy that the Happy Planner has this in there as an option to purchase because it's just such a cute theme. And I did each of these sections. I broke it up so that way it was Buttercup, we have Bubbles, and then Blossom. So I did the green, the blue, and the pink sections here. And I just love how this turned out. It was so fun to fill in too because it was just kind of, yeah, it was just fun. And also with the mild liners, I went in with green here and blue and pink just again to fill in some areas. I love these little, like them flying stickers. I love those. So I can't wait to use this book again because it's just too much fun. There's tons of stickers in here. If it's still available, I'm going to link all these books. If this is still available and you love Powerpuff Girls, you definitely need this in your collection. It's too good. And they have little stickers. Like, I can't wait to do a scene using these girls. So good. Okay, so that's my Powerpuff Girls spread. I don't think anything was going on this week, so that's why I decided to use this spread because it was just fun. Or that sticker book. Okay, this was a Disney week. Whenever I have a Disney week, I try to pick, well, I usually have at least 2 Disney weeks in a month. But I try to at least have one Disney themed spread for one of the weeks that I go to Disney. And this was one of the weeks, oh yeah, I went here with my family. So, yeah, I did a Tangled spread. And this, I actually pulled an old sticker book that I had, that I actually forgot I had until I was going through my books and reorganizing and destashing. And then I flipped through this and I realized I have still a ton of really good stickers. Like I have Mulan and Pocahontas. This book isn't available anymore, but it's really cute. I love this. So I decided to pull this one out to do a Rapunzel spread. And I paired it also with Spring Edit because I always like, whenever I do a princess spread, I like putting in flowers. So I got some florals from this book. This one's just a nice pretty spring theme. I think the flowers came from here. Oh yeah, there were these flowers right here. So I paired these 2 books together to make this really pretty spread. This is a nice purple and yellow spread. But yeah, just so cute. So that is Disney week on that one. Okay, this one was a voted spread. So for this week I had 4 sticker books, I believe, 3 or 4 sticker books. That if you watch this video where I do my monthly spread, in that video, I've been letting the viewers choose the spread I'm going to do or what sticker book I'm going to do for one of the weeks in my planner. So I had 3 or 4 books, and this is the book that was voted the most wanted when it came to spreads. So this one is Strawberry Picnic. This one's a really cute book. Love all the strawberries and the patterns. It's just really pretty. So yeah, this is that. I really didn't use too much of the sidebar, as you can see, but that's okay. And again, I filled in with some mild liner going around the spread. But that is my Strawberry Picnic spread. That one came out really, really cute. And then this is the last week's spread. Oh, this was the week of my mom's graduation. Yeah. But her graduation was in May. So in May, on my Currently, I will be documenting that with pictures. But this week, I just wanted like a pretty nice spread for this one. And I believe I used Spring Edit again. Did I use Spring Edit again? I think I did. I think it was this book that I used. Yeah. I think all this came from here. Yeah, these are the ones. Okay, so Spring at It Again, but this time I used the whole book in this spread to decorate this one. It's just a pretty spread. I have a nice little list here for important things I wanted to remember to take with me on our trip, because we went to Arizona this week for my mom's graduation. And yeah, that is about it for this one. Came out cute, really pretty. Okay, so those are all my spreads, and those are all the books that I used in my Plan With Me's. Now, when it comes to my favorite, I think, of course, this is my favorite. I love this spread. I love the colors. I love how I broke it up into sections like that. I thought that was a fun idea. And I love the curls. They're too adorable. So this was my favorite spread. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite spread. This is another one of my favorites. I think this is the first one, and then I think this is a good second choice for favorite. But let me know down in the comments which one you think which one is your favorite. But that's it. That is my April section in my planner, all my completed after the pen spreads, and of course my currently page. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. I will have all these books linked. Well, whatever's available. Well, I think this one for sure is not available, but if I can link it, I'll link it in the description. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.